more time you spend thinking, the more you are losing money. And that's what I will be covering in today's episode. You see, when I wanted to go to work today, I was thinking of what should I wear, what t-shirt or what shirt I should be wearing. And I think I wasted about like 5 minutes to think of what to wear. And I said, this could not continue anymore. And I just say, just put on a black color t-shirt and that's it. And I just go. And when I went up from the house, I was feeling hungry and I was thinking what to eat, right? And I was contemplating, should I eat this or that and so on. And I think I wasted about probably another 5 or 10 minutes thinking of what to eat for breakfast itself. And I just decided, hey, you know what? There's a cafe. Like when I drove past, there was a cafe. I just parked my car there and went to eat. I had like a bowl of noodle. Wasn't the best noodle of all, but I had that. And then I go off to work. Like right now, I'm literally walking to find a place to work. And I was contemplating where to work, like which cafe I should work, where should I work. And I realized that I've wasted easily probably another 10 minutes of thinking where to work. Now in all, I've lost about like 20-25 minutes of nothing. You see, it is fine if I waste 20 minutes to watch Netflix. It is fine if I use 20 minutes to do anything else, like whether it's for personal growth or just for entertainment, just wasting time in that sense. But I just wasted time, 20 minutes, doing something that I should not do, right? And if you think about it, if I was to continue this every day for 5 days, 20 minutes times 5, that's about 100 minutes. That's almost 2 hours in a week. Just because I'm thinking of unnecessary stuff, right? Where else, if I didn't watch Netflix or do anything for fun, I could have used that to generate income. Now, I do not know how much your hourly rate runs at, right? And there was like a truck passing by. I don't know how much is that. But if you work out the maths, that is an amount of money that you have just wasted simply because you were thinking of something that doesn't even require you to think that much. Alright, I hope these short lessons give you some thoughts and so on. I will see you when I see you then. Alright, bye. Right, so I found where to work right now. I'm at a building and so on. I just want to add one more point when I was recording the video earlier, is that it's not just the amount of money you lose with the equivalent of how much your hourly rate is, but how much the potential income that you'll be losing because you're wasting time thinking of something or doing things, just thinking, right? Because if you take the action, let's say for personal growth, for instance, right, and you improve on your mindset and so on, you probably slip off my tongue. You're probably more productive, more efficient, more effective, perhaps wiser, and so on. And do you think that more opportunities will be attracted to you? Your career will become better, and so on. Maybe you spend the time to learn, say, a new skill. So I think that it is not just the hourly rate of income that you lose, like the amount of money, but what you can do with your time if you were to spend that for, say, your business or your personal growth. Alright, let's say this is Patrick here, and without spending more time, I gotta go and do my stuff. See you then. Hey, one more point, right? And this is to avoid the misunderstanding of what I've just shared, because I recorded like one shot, like really fast. And there will be always trolls and haters and so on, and they're gonna be giving their smart Alex opinion and so on. So I just want to make it a point that, right, it is not in the thoughts that you don't waste time at all. I mean, there are times that you spend half an hour just to decide what to eat, and that's okay because that's supposed to be a leisure time, and that is by design. That is what you intended to do, right? What I'm saying is that do not waste time thinking something that you are not conscious of, in that sense, and you're actually wasting time but you're not even conscious of. Alright, so that's all about it, and if you like, check out my website at patrick.life. See you then, take care.